Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be teaching you guys how to solve the Rubik's Magic. So the first thing that you want to do is have your Rubik's Magic like this, like 3 rings. This should be the default method or the default case when you buy the Rubik's Magic. It will come in the 3 rings configuration. If it is not, then it will probably be stored like this. You can just open it up. So now let's actually get into how to solve. After I talk about how to solve the Rubik's Magic, I will be teaching you guys how to reverse it back to the 3 rings configuration. So what you want to do is basically to make 3 chained rings on the back side. First, start with the 3 rings with the logo on the right bottom. Then, you fold the 2 sides in, and then you fold the bottom side up. Then, you can turn it clockwise 90 degrees, and then extend it. Now, the first step is complete. You want to flip the top side down and then make a loop to the right side and then flip it down. Now the first side is complete. Let's turn it to the other side. Note here, you want to have your almost chained 3 rings on the left side like this. So now you want to go left, down, left, up, right, up. And there is your solved Rubik's Magic. And now to reverse the Rubik's Magic, you could just do the reverse of what you did previously to solve it. But I have a different way of reversing, and I think that way feels way more comfortable. So for this algorithm, do the same thing, but reverse. Down, left, down, right, up, right. And then you flip it to the other side. Note here, you want the logo to be at this place, so at the bottom, not here. So have it here, and then collapse it like this, and then flip it to the other side, and then extend, and then fold, and then turn it 9 degrees counterclockwise, and then extend. So for the last step, you just want to fold this in, the top in, and then make a loop to the left side. Note previously that when we're solving the Rubik's Magic, we made the loop to the right side. And now it is back to the 3 rings configuration. Now I will be doing a sample solve on the Rubik's Magic. I have my timer here and my scrambled Rubik's Magic. For this, I average around 6 to 7 seconds, so let's see how we do this time. 3, 2, 1, go. That is 6.391 seconds. Pretty good time. But unfortunately, this event, the Rubik's Magic, is removed from the WCA in, I believe it is like 2010 or something. Because there is only one way of the scramble and one way of the solve. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!